Hello everyone, today we will introduce OBD cable, hardware self-checking K518 Pro. Choose IMMO remote. Select OBD tool. OBD hardware self-check. Make sure your device is with 12 volts power. Connect OBD cable to device. It shows pin 1 is damaged. We choose another OBD cable. This one is normal with all functions. Also here is a small bulb symbol. You can open the light of OBD cable to help users find OBD port easier in the dark. That's all for today's introduction about OBD cable hardware self-checking. Have a nice day.